The Han program was the product of my final year project, which I did from 1990 to 1991 during my undergraduate study at the University of Hong Kong. The purpose of the project was to design and develop a computer-assisted learning software program for primary school children to learn Chinese characters. At that time, computer was essentially a subject in secondary schools. Very few, if any, people would think of putting computers to use in learning and teaching Chinese. Thanks to our project supervisor, Dr. Poon Gok Hong, for coming up with this innovative idea. We turned the idea into reality and produced the Han program. In the Han program, animation was used to illustrate the historical development of characters from their origins to the present forms. There were also dynamic demonstrations of how to write characters stroke by stroke according to stroke orders. Furthermore, children could play games against the computers. Technically, the Han program was written in C language using Turbo C compiler. It ran on an IBM compatible 286 or 386 PC with EGA or VGA graphics display. To pronounce the sounds of the characters, the PC must have a sound card installed, which was uncommon at that time. Multimedia was a new thing. The Han program operated directly on a DOS 3.3 operating system. No Windows system was needed. The Han program eventually became a widely distributed shareware that people could freely download from the internet and use. The Han project was also one of the projects that have motivated the later development of the well-known Dragon Rise projects at the University of Hong Kong.